Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video of SpaceX updates. Things are moving really fast at Starbase right now. After 3 steel plates with manifolds were delivered to the launch site, SpaceX wasted no time to get into business with these plates. You can see the giant crane lifting the plate and placing them near the orbital launch mount. Installation of these plates could begin really soon. Testing and refining the water deluge system could also take time. We can see the urgency in their work. Back at the production site, the new Megabay 2 is getting taller. A new segment on the 4th level of the Megabay was installed. Booster 10 was seen rolling to Massey's test site, potentially for cryogenic testing. A day earlier, the new interstage of the Super Heavy booster, labeled as Hot Stage Load Head, was spotted moving into TED 1. Let us wait and see which Super Heavy booster gets this piece of hardware first.
5.
Yesterday,
4,
SpaceX
3,
completed its 45th
2,
successful
1.
mission of the year.
Engines full power. And liftoff of Starlink 513. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Another batch of Starlink satellites was launched from SLC-4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
The first stage Falcon 9 booster, B-1063, was on its 12th flight, and successfully landed for the 12th time on drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And if you can hear that cheering, everyone here at Hawthorne is very excited. This Falcon 9 first stage has now successfully launched and landed for its 12th time.
That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.